Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn all helping verbs with sentence example. Okay, let's begin. Am. I am Jenny. I am a student. Is. He is Ronnie. He is my friend. Are. What are you doing? We are reading. Was. I was having breakfast. Where. Where were you? We were at the party. Be. She wants to be a doctor. Been. I have been there for 2 weeks. Being. The food is being ready. Being insulted, he quit the job. Have. I have a car. Do you have a car? Has. She has a new laptop. My brother has a good job. Had. He had a beautiful daughter. We had a big house. Can. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. Could. He could play cricket very well. May. May I use your phone? You may leave the room. Might. You might get this book in the shop. The medicine might cure of your disease. Must. I must go earlier today. You must obey your parents. Need. I need some books. He needs to know the exact amount. Dare. How dare he say so? He dare not do it. Will. When will she come back? She will come next week. Would. I would fun a lot in my school days. She would call me every week. Shall. Where shall I keep the book? We shall do the work. Should. You should go there now. He should stop smoking. Do. What do you do? Do you want to buy this dress? Does. What does your father do? Where does he go? It doesn't matter. Did. When did you buy the car? Did he finish his homework? I did finish my homework. Thanks for watching.